All right, everyone, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Let me know what else you would like to see. I'm up for it all. To hair and makeup, lifestyle, clean with me's, DIYs, home decor videos. I'm up for it all. Let me know. You guys have a good day, and until my next video, peace. Hi everyone, it's Deanna. I'm back with a new video. As you can tell from the title, it's a clean with me video. I try to do this every day depending on how messy my house is. So today happened to be the day where it needed a little loving. So keep on watching. Hey guys, so here I am showing you what I'm working with. But first I have to make a coffee. I know it seems like there's not much to do, and honestly, there wasn't. But it wasn't that I had like a dirty kitchen, quote unquote. It was more just messy. So all I had to do was like spot clean rather than like deep clean. So typically I do dishes in the morning because I'm too lazy, honestly, to do them the night before. So I'll have dishes in the morning as well as bottles from the night before, or the night of, I should say, of what was used with Hunter. I'm all excited about my coffee cup. Yes, I was listening to music. I would put it in, but it's a lot and I don't think that I'm allowed. So there I am showing you the banana bread that I made from scratch. First time, and it was amazing. I'm definitely going to be making that bread again. It was so good. I was so surprised and so proud of myself. So here I am doing the dishes. Nothing out of the ordinary. I just use a sponge and some dish soap and I'm good to go. I don't wear gloves. Maybe I should, but I just never have. So nothing really exciting here. So here I'm just showing you what I use to clean my kitchen, and it is the Lysol Brand New Day All-Purpose Cleaner. Now I just use this for basically my countertops. If I'm going to clean the sink, I just use dish soap and my sponge, to be honest. And if I am cleaning my stove, then I will use an SOS pad and maybe some soap and water after. So here I am. I believe I'm going to be doing the rest of the counters. This is the time where I wish I had that speed function so I could just speed through these clips, but I don't have them. So I tried cutting this down as much as I could, but I wanted you to get the gist of what I do personally to clean my kitchen. So after I do the dishes, clean the countertops, drink my coffee, eat my little breakfast. I then go into sweeping, and then I mop. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the dining room area. Now this isn't as bad as it could get. My husband and I have a really bad habit of leaving everything, and when I mean my husband and I truly mean only me. But he's allowed me to drag him in this. So our mess is usually built up on this table, and today it was actually very minimal. So I just clear everything off. I put everything where it belongs, and trust me, everything in this house has somewhere to be. I've made my life about that, because if I'm not organized, then that means I can't find anything, and if I can't find anything, I'm gonna go crazy, and I'm gonna go crazy on somebody, and usually that's my husband. And he shouldn't know this, but yes, that is unfair. Sorry, babe, but it happens. So I've just learned that everything needs a place. I need to be organized so that when me, Deanna, go and look for something, I'll know where to find it. So I don't do anything fantastic when it comes to cleaning off the table. I just put everything where it belongs. I wipe down the table. Sometimes I will pledge the table because it is wood. Most of the time I won't, but usually when like we have family coming over or friends, I then will like do all that extra stuff, if you know what I mean. So here I'm just showing you what I use. The Swiffer we use, the broom, and our vacuum. And the reason why we have a really small vacuum is only because we don't have that much carpet. Our house is either tile or laminate. So usually this won't happen, but now that we're newly parents, I go and I clean the baby's fun stuff, if you want to call it that. What I do to clean it, I just use his white bees to wipe down all his fun goody things that he plays with. So now it's time for me to go to the living room. Now, unfortunately, I recorded the wrong segment in this. I wanted to record me cleaning, and instead I'm recording me after the fact. I was just tidying up a few other things that I had left out, but since I did not have that footage, I thought, well, screw it, I'll see what I have on this. So that's what I kept in. Typically, what I'll just do in the living room is I'll sweep, I'll vacuum, I'll wipe down the coffee table. I have a few other um, entertainment table centers, and I'll wipe those down too, as well as fluff the pillows, put the blankets where they belong, as in throw blankets. Just tidy it up. Put Hunter's things where they belong, either in that bin for his toys or other things. Time to hit our room. And yes, I usually go in this order. So our room was it was just very messy. It wasn't dirty. I didn't have to do too much stuff. All I had to do was fix the baby's crib, make our bed, and then put the things on our dressers where they belong. Things that aren't supposed to be on our dressers. I mean, put those where I belong. So there I am. I found a method that works for me to make the bed every single day, and I've been loving it. I usually tuck in the blankets under our mattress, and that's what helps keep the blankets shape rather than it be loose and the blankets literally be everywhere. So this really helps me achieve my bed making goal. So when it comes to our pillows, I do have a method, and it's usually that big body pillow, then our king size pillows, then the decorative pillows, and that small decorative pillow. Yes, we have that many, and we had two more, but I had to get rid of the other ones because they were awful. They were starting to hurt my neck. So, last but not least is my baby's room. Now, his room is usually the tidiest. Because he doesn't live in this room yet, it is not that dirty. What I'm doing right now is taking all of the stuff inside his diaper bag and I'm putting everything away where they belong because on a day-to-day basis we don't use that diaper bag, so I want to make sure that we're going to use the clothes we have to make sure that he gets use out of them. I take out the diapers to make sure that we use them as well before he's not able to wear those diapers anymore, as well as wipes. I don't know if wipes can expire, but trust and believe I'm a worrywart for everything and I'm a weirdo. So take me as you will. So usually what I just do in there is vacuum, I sweep, and that's basically it. And if I have laundry for him to do, I'll do that. I don't wash his clothes for 2 weeks because he has so many, and I wash all his towels, his blankets, his burp cloths weekly. Here I'm just going to show you that I have to put the baby's boppy lounger away. He's too big for it now, so I've already washed it. I'm going to lint roll it because for some reason it just holds onto lint so badly. So there I am lint rolling it, and I'm just putting it away into storage just in case we have another baby and we need it. I think we'll get to a point where I'm very confused as to how this fit in there to begin with. I couldn't figure it out, and then I was like, screw it. If I just form the pillow, like, whatever, it's in. I want to make sure that it stays clean and not get dusty and filthy in my garage. Hey everyone, it's what? I just did an intro. Oh my god. Am I dumb?